Prompt engineering is a communication skill. It is not a coding skill. It is a skill that has evolved out of this natural language processing world where AI requires language and text input to perform a task. Now, this prompt could be code, but in the world that we live in now with ChatGPT, most of these prompts are text-based and language-based. The core skills when it comes to prompting is to speak plainly and clearly to an AI with a clear objective. You want to make sure at the onset you are laying out your goals for this AI and what it's supposed to achieve on your behalf, and the types of responses that you want in return. Once you've outlined the clear instructions to the AI in your prompt, you can then follow that up with more detailed information on how you want that information delivered and what good looks like, and even provided some examples of the ideal responses that you want back from the AI and any other supporting information that it can pull from, whether it's contextual documents, historical information, information from the internet, or URLs and links. You want to make sure that it has all the information that it needs to make a sound decision or make a sound response or to generate content for you. Personally, some of the best practices that I've seen is to clearly identify the role for the AI, the contextual information that it needs, and your expectations. I even introduce the idea of 3 hashtags to separate the different aspects of the instructions for the AI. So I might identify a clear role in a request of the AI in the beginning, making sure that I'm very clear and detailed in what I'm asking it to do and any role that it's assuming on my behalf. If I need a financial advisor, I might tell it, today you are playing the role of a financial advisor. These are the things that I need from you. Period, or hashtag, hashtag, hashtag. I want to make sure that there's a clear line break between the role and any additional contextual information that I provide. Next, I might provide further information around my finances, my needs, my life goals, what I'm trying to achieve, what I'm trying to save for, if I'm trying to save for a house or save for a vacation. I'm giving it as much context as possible so that it understands that it has more information about me personally to make sound decisions and sound suggestions. Next, after that, I will clearly identify the format in which I want this information back. Do I want a report? Do I want a table? Do I want a spreadsheet? Do I just want some conversational suggestions? Do I just want it to be a life coach or a partner? You want to make sure that the format and what you want delivered back is clearly identified in that next section when it comes to those expectations. When speaking to an AI, you want to make sure that you are being articulate, that you are communicating with it no differently than you would communicate with a human. You want to make sure that you are speaking plainly in plain language to an AI in your prompts, the same way that you would deliver instructions to someone else on your team, someone else in your group, speaking clearly, speaking in detail, using as many clear adjectives as possible to describe the importance and the objective of a task. The AI will perform better because of it.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and explore more at aiu.courses.